Hey people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Old subscribers, thank you guys. You guys are the plug. So before we get right into it, go click the subscribe button, press the notification bell, give me a thumbs up and drop your comments down below. Today I'm showing you how I got this beautiful summer, spring, no, scratch that, how I got this gorgeous look. No matter the season, you guys can look gorgeous. So we're not constricting the makeup to a particular season. Now this is summer, spring, winter glam. And don't forget to go to my Instagram page to follow me on Snapchat and on Facebook. I'm going to drop those in my description box below. So let's just get right into it. Okay guys, going in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow, and I'm just going to put it on the eyes corner of my face. So what I'm just going to do first is place my foundation in strategic positions, and I'm going like so, just so that I don't do all this procedure twice. It looks funny, I know that, but just let's go. Let's just do this together, okay? Eye concealer, I'm going in with the Plouise Rumour in the shade 04, and I'm just going to be spreading it in a I'm just going to spread it out in a very strategic position. I'm going in with my Juvia Plouise concealer, and I'm just putting it in areas that I'm going to like. And I'm being careful not to touch the areas that I've contoured. I'm just going in. So I'm just blending it in a way that makes me avoid the contour. It looks funny, but it's all going to come back together. Just watch. This way, I use really little product on my face. The contour, I'm just going to go in with the contour brush by Real Technique, and I'm just going to go in a swipe motion upwards. My temple area, I'm just taking it in a swipe motion like so. For my nose contour, I'm just going to go in with this blending brush and toothpaste, I'm going in with the Sacha buttercup that I mixed with my Ben 9 and a little bit of my Laura Mercier. So I'm just going in and tapping it like so. I'll be going in with a darker shade of powder just to set the contour. In it strategically. So right now I'm going in with this eyeshadow by Tara, and I'm using the colors to transition and do my eyeshadow base. Now I went in with the Plouise eyeshadow base in the shade 0. So I'm just gonna put some black over here. With my dual glue on my eyelids because I'm going to put some glitter on it. My finger to tap on the glitter like so. I don't want it so much, so I'm doing it as sparsely as I can. Doing the same thing over here. I think I really like what it looks like. If you guys know my channel, you know that I'm always like subtle and stuff, so this looks really different for me. The next thing I'm just going to do is to put on my eyelash and just do my waterline and my lip gloss, so stay tuned. There you go, the eyelash is on. If you'd notice that before the eyelash there was a certain way the high was, but now I have my eyelash on and it's giving me a different and totally exquisite vibe. Next I'm going in with my powder and I'm just going to tap like so, tap it and swipe out. So in a tap motion like so, tap 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 tap, swipe out, tap 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 tap, swipe out. Just swipe everything off and it's all much better and it looks more in sync right now. I'm going with my blush. It's the same blush I use all the time. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going on the eyes corner of my cheek. Badescu setting spray to set my eyes, and I'm going to cover my eyeshadow so it doesn't get there like this. And we're just going to wait for it to get dried. But while we're waiting, I'm just going to go with my Master Chrome and I'm just going to highlight my face. Use the liquid highlighter, but I just want to go with something a little bit subtle. Bring the highlighter and make it more subtle. I'm going in with my blush. I'm going in with my blush just to tone the highlighter down a little bit. A little bit. Toning down the highlighter with my blush. I'll be using this lip gloss that I got from the Sephora VIP sale, and I'll be using the shade Sweet Mouth just to go over my already lined lips. And let's just see how it turns out. I think I love all the products I got from the sale. You guys, I think they're still running it, but the thing I noticed about the sale was the shipping took forever to come. I ordered it early, but I think the shipping took like 2 weeks, which was supposed to be like 3 days. But you know, with the COVID going on, we understand that there's delayed shipping in everything. So I forgive them. So I'm done with the lips. Let me just put my hair down. And here comes to the end of this video. If you watched to the end, guys, drop me double hearts down in my video. Let's get our sassiness on. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for more beautiful looks.